Telling you I got it wrong.
Yep.
Whoa.
Yep.
Telling you I got it.
Yeah. The reject.
Yo, it's 2 a.m. and I can't sleep. I've been thinking about this for some weeks. I sent a message real quick like let's talk. Still hoping somehow it will reach. Yo, I've been working so hard I can't walk. Fact of the matter, I'm saying we can't speak. Cause I got a place to go and things to see. Simple terms to see what I mean is that I'm about to blow. And I ain't telling you no lie. It's inevitable, baby, it's in time. Think I like just breaking your heart right. But I'm probably gonna do that down the line. If I don't now, then probably just gon' cheat. When I'm rich, these bitches surround me. So much girls to drown me. Knowing that this shit sounds weak, but temptation is something that bounds me. What else you wanna know? That this nigga's the same, huh? Same as all them niggas you hate, huh? I know I promised by being your savior. Yeah, that's a promise that never will break mine. But I gotta get it, and get those. If I forget my dreams and my goals before these regrets build up in my soul. I'm sure you understand, but even if you don't, girl, I gotta roll. 2 a.m. and I can't sleep. I've been thinking about this for some weeks. Send a message real quick like let's talk. Still hoping somehow it won't read. Yeah, I've been working so hard I can't walk. Fact of the matter, I'm saying we can't speak. Cause I got a place to go and things to say. Simple terms to see what I mean though. That's unfair in this love. But that much willpower is too much. I don't really believe I possess that. Tell me what you want from me, we won't last. Girl, take a step back, I'm doing this for you. What you mean? I'm knowing that ain't true. What you mean? What I'm supposed to do? You're supposed to ride with me through and through. You're supposed to ride with me, you're supposed to lie with me. You're supposed to be all could be in your life for me. So, why now you wanna shout for me? Be your life for me. What you mean? This ain't right, you see. Bitch, please, this is harder than you think. Leaving you is like I'm leaving another part of me. Since you about to blow to sleep. Well, since you about to blow to sleep. Can't sleep. See the breakups pass for some weeks. Send a message quick like let's talk. Just praying that she don't hate me. She said you a coward, you so weak. Just a young man trying to stand up both feet. Well here young man, this is the last thing. It's been some weeks since you first told me you was about to blow. Whoa, whoa, tell me when you about to blow. Yeah.